So hello everyone, my name is Anish Kumar and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today the topic that I'll be discussing about is about the tanning process, like how we can manage the pollution in tanning process. So these are the contents that we'll be going through. Please ignore the cough noise in the background. Introduction to pollution in tanning industry. Sources of pollution in leather processing, pollution prevention strategies in tanning, waste water management and treatment technology, solid waste management in tanneries, cleaner production technologies in leather processing, role of regulations and best practices in pollution control. So the leather industry, while vital in the global economy, faces significant environmental challenges. Leather processing, which involves the transformation of raw hides into durable products, generates a variety of pollutants, including wastewater, chemical waste, and air emissions. As the demand for leather increases, it is critical for the industry to adopt sustainable practices to reduce pollution and minimize its environmental footprint. Pollution prevention is tanning. Tanning is not essential for regulatory compliance, but also for improving long-term sustainability of the industry. Environmental impact of leather processing. Tanning processes, especially in traditional settings, can cause substantial environmental harm. Key pollutants include chemicals such as chromium, sulfides, ammonia, and organic matter. These pollutants affect the core environmental elements of air, water, and soil. Tannery effluents often contaminate nearby water bodies, leading to a decline in water quality, biodiversity, and overall ecosystem health. The air quality in areas surrounding tanneries is also negatively impacted by the release of odorous gases and volatile organic compounds. Wastewater management in tanning. Tannery wastewater is a major contribution to pollution due to high chemical load and contaminants like chromium and salts. Effective wastewater treatment is crucial to mitigate the environmental impact. Various methods, including biological treatment, chemical precipitation, and reverse osmosis, are commonly employed to reduce pollutants in the effluent. Tannery operators are increasingly adopting closed loop systems to recycle water within the facility, thus reducing water consumption and minimizing effluent discharge. Chemical waste and its control. The tanning process uses a variety of chemicals, including chromium salts, lime, and sulfides, all of which can contribute to significant environmental pollution. Improper management of these chemicals leads to hazardous waste generation, which can contaminate soil and also water. Advances in chemical management include the use of more sustainable chemicals like vegetable tannins and the recovery and recycling of chemicals like chromium. These practices help reduce the overall chemical load and improve the environmental performance of the tannery. Cleaner production technologies in tanning. The adoption of cleaner production technologies is one of the most effective strategies for reducing pollution in the tanning industry. Cleaner technologies focus on minimizing waste generation, reducing energy consumption, and replacing hazardous chemicals with more environmentally friendly alternatives. Technologies such as enzymatic dehairing, chrome-free tanning, and waterless dyeing are gaining traction in the industry, offering cleaner alternatives that not only improve the environmental footprint but also reduce operational costs. Waste minimization measures in tanning. Systematic implementation of waste minimization strategies can help tanneries reduce pollution and improve profitability. Key measures include reducing water consumption by optimizing soak and rinse processes, reusing chemical solutions, and minimizing the use of harmful chemicals. Efficient water conservation strategies such as installing water meters and flow meters to monitor usage are essential. Additionally, process changes like drum soaking instead of pit soaking can significantly reduce both water consumption and the land area needed for evaporation ponds. Solid waste management in tanneries. The tanning industry generates significant amounts of solid waste, including hide, trimmings, fleshings, and sludge from wastewater treatment. Proper solid waste management strategies involve segregation of waste types, recycling, and converting organic waste into valuable products like biogas and gelatin. Advanced techniques like pyrolysis can turn solid waste into useful byproducts, such as biofuel and syngas, reducing the reliance on landfills and converting waste into a resource. Efficient resource use and energy management. Efficient resource management is crucial for reducing environmental impact and improving sustainability in tanning operations. Energy management strategies such as using solar power for water evaporation can reduce the carbon footprint of the tannery. Optimizing the use of energy intensive processes like drying and finishing through improved installation and heat recovery systems is another way to lower energy consumption. Additionally, Energy efficient machinery and green building designs contribute to overall resource efficiency. Pollution prevention at the process level. Pollution prevention at the process level involves optimizing each stage of leather production to reduce waste generation and chemical use. For example, in the soaking process, the use of counter current systems allows for the reuse of soaked liquor, reducing both water and chemical consumption. In the liming stage, substitution of paste lime with pure calcium hydroxide reduces chemical use and sludge formation. At every process step, there are opportunities to minimize waste generation through better control and optimization. Innovative tanning technologies. Innovative technologies in tanning are essential for reducing environmental impact. These include biotechnology based methods such as enzyme applications for dehairing and other chemical free tanning processes, waterless tanning techniques, which reduce the amount of water used in the tanning process, are also emerging as a sustainable alternative. Additionally, chrome-free tanning methods are being developed to replace chromium-based tanning agents, which are often harmful to both the environment and human health. Environmental regulations play a significant role in shaping the tanning industry pollution control measures. Governments around the world are setting stricter guidelines for wastewater discharge, air quality, and waste management in tanneries. Complying with these regulations not only reduces the environmental impact but also improves the industry's reputation. ISO certifications, environmental standards, and specific local regulations guide tanneries in adopting best practices for sustainable production. Global best practices in pollution control. Several countries have adopted global best practices in pollution control for the tanning industry. For instance, European tanneries are leading in the use of closed loop systems for water and chemical recycling, significantly reducing their environmental impact. India has made strides with the installation of centralized effluent treatment plants that handle the wastewater generated by multiple tanneries in a region. Sharing these best practices can help tanneries worldwide transition to more sustainable operations. Case studies of sustainable tanneries, which can be very important actually. Several tanneries have successfully adopted sustainable practices, serving as a model for the industry. One example is a tannery in Italy, which replaced traditional chrome-based tanning with vegetable-based tanning, drastically reducing the environmental impact. In Brazil, a tannery implemented a zero liquid discharge system, recycling 100% of its wastewater. These case studies highlight the feasibility and benefits of adopting sustainable practices in the tanning industry. Economic benefits of pollution control. Investing in pollution control measures can bring economic benefits to dam. Waste minimization or resource efficiency can lead to significant cost savings, particularly in terms of reduced chemical usage, water consumption, and waste disposal fees. Additionally, by adopting sustainable practices, countries can increase their competitiveness in global markets as consumers and regulatory bodies increasingly favor environmentally responsible businesses. Barriers to effective pollution prevention. Despite the clear benefits, several barriers hinder the widespread adoption of pollution prevention measures in the tanning industry. These include high initial investment costs, lack of awareness, and technical challenges in implementing advanced pollution control technologies. Small and medium sized tanneries, in particular, face difficulties in financing these technologies. Addressing these barriers requires government incentives, industry collaborations, and improved access to financing options for green technologies. Chrome is a critical component in traditional leather tanning, but its improper disposal can lead to environmental contamination. Technologies for chrome recovery involve the use of precipitation and filtration techniques to recover and recycle chromium from spent tanning in solutions. This not only reduces waste but also minimizes the need for fresh chrome chemicals, reducing both cost and environmental impact. Proper management of chrome containing waste is essential for ensuring safe disposal and reducing pollution. How big is it, man? Okay, I had two more. Pollution control technologies in air and water. To address the air and water pollution caused by tanneries, various technologies have been implemented. Okay, fine, you can just read it on your own. You're all educated. You all have been brought up to read. You can read, right? I mean, you've thought, what am I speaking in the morning, man? Mind my English, please. I meant to tell you all have been taught how to read. And the slide is just there. You can read on your own by pausing the video if you want to. But yeah, I'll just run through the slides like all are. Okay, no beep. Such as activated sludge and constructed wasteland can be employed for organic matter removal, further reducing the environmental impact of wastewater. Conclusion: pollution prevention and control in the tanning industry are essential for sustainable growth and minimizing environmental harm by adopting cleaner production technologies, waste minimization. Read it again, yeah. Engagement in the tanning industry can move towards more sustainable operations while meeting global demands for leather production. So this was it. Hope you all liked it. Do leave a like below and please don't comment something weird. Yeah, and I guess I'll have another video after this, which will be the conclusion. And after that, I won't be posting any more videos on YouTube. Yeah, a few people are very happy, and so am I. So, yeah, thank you.